This is the Ester Natural Dawadawa Brew Powder. I have only known dawadawa to give flavors to stews and soups until recently. An announcement was made in church about the Ester's dawadawa powder. I was intrigued, so I did more research on it. I found out it helps reduce reflux in infants, and it is a natural plant-based food thickener. The most fascinating bit was all the benefits it had on the cardiovascular system. It prevents stroke by preventing or treating diabetes, regulating cholesterol level, and treating hypertension. I was not interested in using it as a food thickener. I wanted to drink it like coffee. The powder itself smells and tastes like roasted corn powder, just slightly bitter. To make it, you need 1 tablespoon of dawadawa powder, hot water, dignified honey or any other sweetener of your choice. You stir and now you've made yourself dawadawa or locust beans tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.